What's going on? This is Full Throttle Freedom, and today I'm out for a nice pleasant ride in the middle of February. We've had a nice Chinook this week, so the weather's nice and I just couldn't resist. So I'm out on the ZX10R, just did a fresh oil change on this guy, and yeah, I figure I'll take you guys over to the new leg of the ring road. Yeah, it feels so good to be back on the bike. I can't even explain. But yeah, I guess this is also the first time that I've ever done a ride-along video. So I'm very excited about it. Let me know your guys' thoughts, what I could do to improve, any ideas you have. I got everything all set up now. I got the GoPro, mic, adapters, everything I need, and then I got this nice chin mount. Eventually I'd like to get more than just the one camera, but you know, this one's doing fine for now. It's just a start, right? Just build up from there. Well, exciting announcement for you guys. I just put a down payment down on a 2022 Yamaha MT-09, so that'll be coming somewhere between the beginning to the end of April, and so very much looking forward to that, being able to ride a brand new bike. The newest bike that my wife and I have ever had is her 2015 Honda CB300F. This bike's a 2004, and speaking of that, so this bike has been amazing. I love the ZX10R. I have no beef with it at all, other than the fact that it has a very, very uncomfortable ergonomic seating position. I'm all hunched over. I find after long rides, which I really do genuinely like to do, I find that my back starts to hurt, my knees start to hurt. Just overall, it's not a great situation, and so hence why I decided to go forward with this new MT-09. And so I think with the more relaxed seating position, going on longer rides is going to be a lot more manageable. And so that was kind of my main reasoning behind it. But yeah, if you haven't lived in Calgary in a long time, holy crap, jeez. If you haven't lived in Calgary for a while, or if you just aren't used to this area, this is McCloud Trail here. So even this stretch is brand new. This didn't used to look like this at all, and so they got all these new overpasses here, and it's a lot cleaner, a lot flatter. The road surface is way better here, and if we keep going down this road, which we're gonna do, you can see the new stretch of the ring road where it actually will end up connecting to Glenmore Trail. But yeah, not a whole lot of nice stuff to look at over here, not gonna lie. Man, so a few months ago, last summer even, the speed limit through this section used to be 80 kilometers an hour. And so, you know, on a bike, like one of the biggest things on this road here, the 22X, is it'll take you all the way to Bragg Creek, and there's a highway out there called Highway 762, huge motorcycling road, really curvy. I'm gonna do a couple of videos on that this summer of going out to that road. But man, going out there on this road with it being 80 kilometers an hour, it just feels like you're lugging along. And it was just as wide. Like there's the 4 lanes here, and 5 actually. But yeah, 4 lanes, 4 to 5 lanes, and it's like 80 kilometers an hour, and it's just like there's cops everywhere too. So you just you couldn't take it any faster than just like a little bit above the speed limit. So just not a fun area. It's a lot better now that the speed limit's back to 100. But yeah, here's the connection here. Yeah, one of the things I love about this too is like there's these nice wide sweeping corners. So really fun to go fast on a bike. One thing about being out on the roads this time of year is there's gravel everywhere. the main highways aren't too bad, but any of the side roads are going to be just awful. Like even the road coming out of my house, just like my neighborhood, it's all covered in gravel, so you gotta be so touchy on the throttle, just super finesse, otherwise you're gonna end up washing out. I actually have a story where I had just started my bike. The roads, like it hadn't rained or anything, but it was early in the morning, so there's just kind of that dew point, and there was like, the roads were a little bit slick, and my tires were cold, and I was coming out of my neighborhood, and there's this turn, and I ended up having the back end of my bike fishtail, and it was just like a little bit of a wake-up moment. I was like, holy crap, you know, if I had hit the throttle any harder, I would have totally just low-sided. So that would not have been a fun day at all. Yeah, tell me that's not handy. What an awesome addition to the road network in our city. One of the things that I didn't think about is that it's rush hour, so everyone's coming home from work, but should be okay as long as I keep my eyes peeled, get past this guy. I shouldn't have any major issues. Man, the brakes on this thing, one of the best mods that I've done to this bike is getting new brakes. As if the OEM brakes weren't strong enough, these new ones just take it a little step further. Ouch! Just got hit by a rock. Anyways, guys, we're through all that traffic. I think I'm ready to wrap up the video right here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to ride safe.